Welcome, today I'm talking to you about a must-have device for your car, the portable tire inflator. All purchase links are available in the description. 1. Denvix. Imagine inflating your tires twice as fast as with any other device. This portable air compressor features a high-performance motor that can take a standard tire from 0 psi to 36 psi in just 6 minutes. But that's not all. Be amazed as it revitalizes a Tesla tire from 29 psi to 41 psi, 255/40/20, in just 1 minute. In 10 minutes, you'll have the entire tire ready for action, 255/40/20, keeping you on the road without relying on the assistance of a tow truck. The real gem of this compressor is its astonishing 15,000 mAh battery capacity. It's like having a power bank that not only inflates 7 vehicle tires but can also charge your electronic devices. Forget about running out of battery while enjoying wireless convenience anywhere. And speaking of speed, the charging and recharging are simply spectacular. With the 45 WPD and QC 3.0 output inflator, you'll experience a charging speed 3 times faster than other portable tire inflators and twice as fast as other portable chargers. Imagine inflating a tire right after charging it for 10 minutes with the included PD and QC fast-charging cigarette lighter adapter. But the versatility of this compressor doesn't stop there. With 4 ultra-bright light modes, you'll have the perfect illumination for any situation. Whether it's mechanical lighting in the dark, outdoor camping, or emergency alerts, this compressor has you covered. The light duration is astonishing, with 9 hours for the bright white light and 55 hours for the camping yellow light. And what about the design? The full touch panel interface is not only functional but also elegant. The user-friendly interface adds a touch of modernity to every use, and the touchscreen light makes this air compressor practical even in the dark. 2. AirMoto. AirMoto is your go-to inflator for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Experience swift and precise inflation, reaching up to 120 psi, making it a compact powerhouse that fits snugly in your glove compartment or trunk. No more guesswork with AirMoto. Utilize the user-friendly plus and dash buttons to effortlessly set your desired pressure. Connect the air hose to your vehicle, hit the central start button on the electric air pump, and let it work its magic. Once the correct pressure is achieved, AirMoto shuts off automatically, making tire inflation a breeze for all your vehicles. AirMoto shines with its exceptional features, seamlessly switch between pressure units, PSI, kPa, bar, kg/cm, at the touch of a button, a large and easy-to-read LCD screen, a built-in digital tire pressure gauge, and an LED flashlight for low-light conditions. Need to decrease pressure? Simply use the deflation button. The compact air hose neatly stores inside, ensuring a clutter-free experience. Equipped with a powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery with quick charging capability, AirMoto is rated for 120 psi, ensuring you're always ready for any tire inflation challenge. But that's not all, AirMoto is versatile. It comes with 3 accessories and an air hose. Schrader valve for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles, Presta valve for bike tires, needle adapter for sports equipment like basketballs, and a general adapter for cushions and air pillows. 3. Prelate. An incredible 18,000 mAh electric air compressor. Forget about getting tangled up in cables and plugs. Our portable air compressor works wirelessly, thanks to its powerful 18,000 mAh battery. Enjoy up to 1 hour of continuous use and fully recharge it in just 3 to 5 hours. It's freedom with every inflation. With a high-efficiency motor of 25,000 plus RPM, this compressor delivers an impressive airflow of 36 liters per minute. Inflate a small car tire, 25 to 36 psi, in approximately 1 minute. Perfect for SUVs, small and medium-sized cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even balls. You've never experienced inflation this fast and efficient. The large LCD touchscreen is not only stylish but also functional. With dual values, it provides easy reading of the preset pressure value and the real-time value. With a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 psi, inflating your tires has never been safer. Whether it's day or night, this compressor features 3 types of lights: LED, SOS, and flashing lights. Even in the dark, inflating your tires will be a breeze. Add an extra layer of strength to your nighttime travels. Don't limit yourself to preset modes. With 4 modes for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and balls, plus the option to set your own pressure value up to 150 psi, this compressor is entirely customizable. Easily switch between pressure units with just the touch of a button. This mini tire inflator comes packaged in a gift box with a storage bag for easy keeping. Additionally, with USB-C and USB-A ports, it can even act as a power bank for your electronic devices. Thank you very much for watching this video. Click like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Greetings, and until next time.